Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Behind me, yes, you guys can see these beautiful lights. These lights are my latest addition to my 360 booth setup. Now, I am loving these lights. Here's a few reasons why I'm liking these lights. First of all, let's start off with height. Yes, I'm short. We all know that. These lights are 4 feet, 5 inches tall when you have the stand all the way to its max height, which is right here. You can adjust this if you need to. I like having them as tall as possible at the event so that my spot, my 360 booth spot, stands out the most. Another cool thing that I like is they have integrated batteries. These batteries right here will last you over 4 hours, okay? And you can sync all of these lights up. So you control all of these lights, guys, with one remote. Of course, you're gonna get one remote per light, but all you need is one remote. The best feature, hands down, the best feature on these lights is the fact that they're sound activated. There's an option, you can switch over to sound activation and they're gonna react to the sound in the background, which I think is great. So enjoy this video, guys. If you guys are interested in getting these for your setup, you can reach my supplier. I'm gonna put the link below in the description. One cool thing is these things have a 1-year warranty. It doesn't cover the light if it breaks. It only covers if it malfunctions and it's no longer turning on. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.